I am Suresh Chandra Shirvastava. Our today's topic of discussion is the attack of Shiva of Siberia on Brahmavarth, capital at Mohenjo-daro, at happening of self-immolation of Sati, his wife, as depicted on seal collected from Indus Valley, and that highlighted in Bhagavad Puran part 4, chapter 2 to 7. A soapstone seal collected from Mohenjo-daro, original in Islamabad Museum, Pakistan, is still uninterpreted, depicts to a woman in bullhorn crown standing ideographed between wood, actually symbolically indexing to Sati's pyre. A man looks before her in worshiping posture, head dressed in bullhorn crown, further a trident trishul. On that, 7 women are seen standing in row, appear paying homage to Sati's pyre. A giant ram looks standing before pyre. A human head seen placed on a stool. The hieroglyph Shiv is read on top of seal. She is in pre-Ashokan Brahmi for syllable ba, and insect bar has been pictographed. For Manu, fish, which is called mean in Sanskrit, has been pictographed. Matsya Puran 11.44 to 47 states Siberia as Sarban and Shiv as sovereign of that land. According to Bhagavad Puran, Daksh, the shrine holder of Brahmavarth, had not invited to one of his son-in-law, Shiv, the king of Siberia, ruling from Bactria those days, appointing his governor Birbhadra there. Brahmavarth was its adjacent monasterial estate and chancellery enjoying autonomy. Mohenjo-daro actually be called Manu Deohi, which means abode of Manu. Taxila was its other important city. Other Puran provides names of 14 Manu who ruled on Brahmavarth. The period of 5th Manu, Daksh was vice-chancellor of Brahmavarth. Daksha's several daughters were married to Caspian region king Kashyap. That one Sati was married to Shiv of Siberia. Daksh was unpleased from Shiv, for he had not stood in honor of Daksh in previous year Yajna ceremony. Daksh had not invited Shiv for this reason. Daksh was also disliking the induced character of Shiva. Still, the Consequent year, Shiva's wife, Sati, reached the house of Manu Devdi the next year yajna. But at hour of ceremonial rite, seeing discard of her husband, she jumped in pyre of yajna and committed self-immolation. The happening raged. Shiv sent an army in command of Birbhadra to punish Daksh. Birbhadra beheaded Daksh and threw his head in Yajna's pyre. The Puranas above episode has been drawn on Mohenjo-daro seal, that in such seal the saving woman appears to be the Daksha's other daughters married to Kashyap of Caspian Sea region, who were enjoying honorable royalties through their sons born from Aditi, Diti, Kadru, Tamra, Danu, Surbhi and others around Indo-Bactrian and Indo-Egyptian regions. That at his stool, Daksha's head appears placed on. The giant ram represent to Chancellor Brahma Manu, the man before woman in symbolic wood pyre has been ideographed for Shiv in bullhorn crown and trident trishul on that. A laurel headdress for a king ruling on earth, ocean and sky beyondly those days. The happening appears resulted 5 to 6 decades earlier to hysterical deluge stated in Puran, Avesta and Pentateuch, further confirmed by Stela year 400 collected from Tanis, Egypt in Cairo Museum. Happening resulted about 1800 BC earlier. Comment, like and subscribe on YouTube, Facebook channel Shrivastava Suresh Chandra. Thanks for participating in this historical discussion and the searches. Thanks again.